Imagine waking up, and before you finish a single breath, the sun has already risen and set. No, this isn't a dream. This is Earth, spinning 30 times faster than it does today. One day wouldn't last 24 hours anymore. It would last 48 minutes. What would happen to oceans, cities, gravity, weather, and human survival? Let's find out. Right now, Earth rotates once every 24 hours. If Earth rotated 30 multiplied by faster, the planet would complete one full rotation in 48 minutes. That means sunrise every 24 minutes, sunset 24 minutes later. 30 days would pass in one real day. Your biological clock would collapse instantly. Humans evolved to follow light. But now, darkness and daylight would flicker like a strobe. Sleep cycles? Destroyed. Agriculture? Impossible. Circadian rhythm? Gone. Most complex life would struggle to survive. Here's where it gets terrifying. As Earth spins faster, centrifugal force increases, especially at the equator. At 30 times speed, effective gravity at the equator would drop drastically. You would feel lighter, jump higher. Objects would weigh less, push it slightly further, and Earth would spin so fast that gravity would no longer hold things down. People, water, and buildings could be flung outward. Near the equator, standing upright could become impossible. Earth would begin tearing itself apart. Water doesn't like spinning planets. With extreme rotation, oceans would be pulled toward the equator. Sea levels there would rise kilometers. Entire continents would flood. Meanwhile, polar regions would lose water, exposing massive landmasses of ice and rock. Earth would no longer be a balanced blue planet. It would become a giant spinning water ring. Coastal cities? Gone. Island nations? Erased. Earth's rotation controls weather. Spin at 30 multiplied by faster, and wind speeds could exceed 1,000 km per hour. Storms would never stop. Hurricanes would become permanent features. The Coriolis effect would intensify so much that weather systems would shred themselves apart. Rain would fall sideways. Flying debris would sandblast landscapes. No building could survive long. The surface would become hostile to life. Earth is already slightly wider at the equator. At 30 times speed, the planet would bulge dramatically. The equator would stretch outward. The poles would flatten. Eventually, Earth would resemble a squashed spinning disk. Tectonic plates would crack. Volcanoes would erupt non-stop. Earthquakes would be global. The planet itself would be under constant stress. Human civilization? No chance. Animals? Only microscopic, extremophile organisms might adapt. Plants? Impossible. Photosynthesis can't function with 24-minute days. Earth wouldn't explode immediately, but it would become chaotic, violent, barely recognizable, a world spinning too fast to be stable. Earth's current rotation isn't random. It's perfectly balanced, just slow enough for gravity, just fast enough for weather, just right for life. Change it by 30 times, and the world we know disappears. Sometimes, survival depends on something as simple as how fast a planet spins. So the next time you watch the sun rise slowly over the horizon, remember, life exists because Earth doesn't rush.